Plant FAQs, Hoya Walliniana. Hoya Walliniana, a collector's guide. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of Hoya Walliniana. This unique Hoya variety has captured the hearts of collectors with its beautiful foliage and fragrant blooms. But is it the right fit for your plant shelf? Let's address some common questions about this beauty. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya Walliniana? Hoya Walliniana is a climbing vine native to Southeast Asia, particularly Thailand and the Philippines. It boasts glossy, deep green leaves that can reach up to 10 centimeters in length. The real showstopper, however, is the transformation that occurs in bright light. The leaves develop a stunning, rich, dark red hue, adding a dramatic touch to any indoor space. Hoya Sipitangensis versus Walliniana. Telling Hoya Sipitangensis and Walliniana apart used to drive me crazy. Their leaves seem so similar, but then I noticed the blooms. Sipitangensis flowers are these big, showy stars, while Hoya Walliniana's are much smaller with a pointed crown in the center. Now, I can tell them apart at a glance. Is Hoya Walliniana easy to care for? Opinions on the difficulty of caring for Hoya Walliniana vary. Some sources claim it's a breeze, while others consider it more suited for experienced growers. Here's my take. Light. Hoya Walliniana thrives in medium to bright indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. This Hoya prefers well-draining soil and dislikes soggy conditions. Allow the top inch of soil to dry completely before watering again. Reduce watering frequency during winter. Humidity. Hoya Walliniana appreciates moderate to high humidity levels, around 50 to 65%. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants or using a humidifier can be beneficial. Temperature. This tropical vine prefers warm temperatures between 21 to 35 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature drops and drafts. Does Hoya Walliniana flower? Absolutely. The star of the show is the fragrant, creamy white flowers with maroon-centered, light yellow coronas. They bloom in clusters, umbels, of up to 30 flowers, each lasting around a week. However, getting your Hoya Walliniana to flower can be a bit tricky. Here are some tips. Provide adequate light and warmth. Flowering is more likely with sufficient light and warm temperatures. Maturity. Younger Hoyas typically take longer to bloom. Be patient. Stress can be a trigger. While not ideal, mild stress, such as root restriction, can sometimes encourage flowering. Where can I buy Hoya Walliniana? Hoya Walliniana can be a bit trickier to find than some common Hoyas. Online retailers specializing in Hoyas or botanical gardens might be your best bet. Be prepared for a slightly higher price tag compared to more readily available varieties. Can I propagate Hoya Walliniana? Absolutely. Stem cuttings are the most common method. Take a healthy stem with a few nodes, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist but not soggy and provide indirect light. Patience is key. Rooting can take several weeks. What are common pests and diseases for Hoya Walliniana? Mealybugs, aphids, and scale can occasionally bother your Hoya. Insecticidal soap or neem oil spray can be effective solutions. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering habits if necessary. My Hoya Walliniana's leaves are curling. What could be wrong? Curling leaves can indicate underwatering, overwatering, or even pest infestation. Check the soil moisture and examine your plant for signs of pests. Why are my Hoya Walliniana's leaves dropping? Sudden drops in temperature, underwatering, or repotting stress can cause leaf drop. Ensure consistent temperatures, proper watering, and avoid repotting during winter. Can I fertilize my Hoya Walliniana? During the active growing season, spring and summer, a diluted balanced fertilizer can be applied once a month. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots. How do I encourage bushier growth? Regularly pinching off new growth tips can promote bushier growth. This will encourage lateral branching instead of just one long vine. What pot is best for Hoya Walliniana? A pot with drainage holes is essential. Terracotta pots allow for good air circulation around the roots. Consider a hanging basket to showcase its cascading vines. Can I grow Hoya Walliniana outdoors? In warm climates with consistent temperatures and high humidity, it can be grown outdoors in a shaded location. However, it's best suited for container growing indoors in most regions. Final thoughts. Hoya Walliniana offers a captivating combination of stunning foliage, fragrant blooms, and a touch of challenge for plant enthusiasts. With the right care and a bit of patience, you can cultivate a thriving specimen that will add a unique touch to your collection. Remember, happy growing!